Over. Sikaya die.
I didn't hear.
I say Abraham is
Mama news
me.
And Asante Kotoko board chairman, House of Folk, board chairman, to go after it. Omo Asia on a strategic meeting. Accra and the two chairmen Asia. So they are going to they are almost fagine.
Okay.
Also they can't teams you know as almost case you know.
Sabra pole here no say commercial akra.
The two chairmen.
Meka pole mfiri mu say omuka
it is the highest you the board chairman.
Oh ka say oso mhye me say no mo sha say for say o ka sabe na management no both management no say o mbehia na nke bi anka dash bi anka but wo de asasem nem say nyame adom ebe so agum next week say word
yeah over sikaya dia over nipa no so o ha so nyeska esi nyeska dinti unyeska na so over we dwumadi ekoso adakwaja achi a ene ahoden a over ye de eye adwuma na it should tell you money is good, especially if you have the right vision. Or the fra sikana it takes you places. Of a local chiripa award, I want near anywhere bra be you. The conversation I may have on here say, I was out here war project. Let's start from this amount of war. All the chairman solo started, and they said your food your piano, any piano. I think on this note, at least say chairman solo time across Sony and Bibia Crana, this war project initiative are there back one of a bit to be abon about so pa because one side the format 12 you or maybe one side the honor obia like on one ways to you introduce the plan to the IMC and over the part a year Kotoko support a seeker for Fabu sensors no. The percentage for Fabu sensors no of decided say any form of organization what's a Fabu sensors percentage any senka ebi anko UK oko siomu ebi a jefa your organization ebi oko bunuin of a jefa organization ebi oko or Asante region stakeholders meeting jefa organization say Congress on behalf of season na start no jefa organization.
Okay.
And he was like no that percentage in the issue we at M1. So let's start something. And I am seeing a buy into the plan money, seed money. And of our own, and the other born about so yet the decision even on the materials we use or decided to use concrete blocks. I think normal ones no the concrete the meet me the ass, you know. But now I say a straw yeah to a sitting in I know you use. And you better to a certain height. Again, over pillars no me this shame na me kra mo I say one will bit me to no abiem kakra san na pillar about but when my pillar ni intiatia wom which was going to be demanding and ebe consuming a lot over ebe consuming a lot what the bra Facebook na be here asem I can you wa mo hear TV no wa woni TV so bra na be here adwuma na ekoso no into for we one side no then the strategy was to organize money again. Nanka, by the end of this year, no, I was calling a brutal for in ebe no akope kakra brutal no de abeto kakra no. Na finish so got supporters percentage of Fabu sense osadia no asade akon. Into an say ojeje na percentage ne ba ojeje na percentage ne ba infie 9 na e on any time ne be so ne de. So the afibia to one side and infie 9 ne be so nanko for ede ku awie. Because concrete blocks no ba enya de keto ane boarding. Kabi a normal one na ko use a kasa no de ato one side bi han go betimi de ato two side o normal one no but concrete na no boarding and over board chairman ne bae no ha na make sika ho asem no and on the chairman solo transfer menzo say opese koto wo fa project no ntem say na wuntimi nyi ahai wo de ato na gate da no abeden yi ahai and obi ntimi be he training and ya chechire mu de enti a eni kwan se koto train obi timi ba ho be he. Oh, me kai say mre bi na me ne kotko support CBD nkomo na they were telling us so kotko news na ba no any ade they will stop the bloggers na I'm say okay This is what is going to happen. Maybe two over. I know a lot of fans. If you have decided to say, but I'm going to cheat out for be a news or debut. I mean, bear 5. Debut Mko training grounds. I wouldn't players no or money pa. It's so non-face as a kid to the Barbacaso and Century on Tiasia. Search it out for over. Then they will tell us the story. So the best way is the war. Thomas Chairman so learn campaign. Nam kan chairman. And count manifesto ho de. But say wa kuma mu no person ko fa wa training dia. And ya just a moto war fa ho. And I was part of those people and any this and common more cast and the better na ambitions over. Menzo buy no. Menzo so hia de ntem. And this is where the sika part coming. Board chairman is here. Chairman so no say materials be na here. Over. Or say materials be na here. Chairman so no kan na we releasing materials. It is there kwi. Monday no start cheche iron rods no for a year pillars no. And so for mu o ma chechire wie e de ho nyoma agu awie. And of our video ni ko nyina na mara no. Chairman ne mo machine e be bo ma mara ni tu no. Nti ankoye man power. Machine e be si wono na me tu amana no. And blocks in egu ho no. We provide the blocks nti say no. Acha over next week no ma start it to. Into one here by August end obekwa adakwaja achine bia wo no kra no. Oba omuntu wia no ma wie be 70%. And one amazing tennis. Sabira me no ka say. Of a do the extent say gate in pom resi adakwaja achi no. As a chairman solo into that. Our company be omutwetwa sa metallic nyoma no. Of our my ho arrangement awie. And that is what the sika any proper planning there.
More fire.
Again, Shedina. Your pictures na aba. Also project no also na fa find simple.
You bisa me say den tinye broni na bayan kama ade nke ka be say yo.
Say na nke be yen mebiri.
Eh.
And I found him say we no ne bo be den pa. Uri mbe ntia. So we tutu ade no o redesign o fix it. Say 5 years ago nanka dade ba ko.
Mo so aka point o.
And then no.
Obeton ayi.
Obeton be 5 CDs.
Yes.
And Obeton be 10 CDs. Inti man si what tutu ni nyina na wo say no. Enya de ketwa. It's not going to be easy. But you see the commitment, the financial commitment from the board.
Okay.
It's a good start. Oh yeah, kotkoti 10 year. Enya embeka nkyere say timi ntimi mbobo ye. Omu ntimi nse. Baby aya duru no.
Fa ho jim na wo bi.
Omu ntimi nse no yakra ho.
We hear project.
Kotkone hye from asie. Enti ebe kakra on the field and off the field. Enti embeye na omu nse and omu ntimi nse asem. Captain ye free ho. Ye free omu ntimi because menzo ya wo de na eje fancy. Any Eric Tinkler of Adio Moje fans. Ye come market to Achrewa. Ebe mini be 80% of Kotoko expenditure last season. Just those two people. Plus the accommodation plus football materials. So someone who train, so Kotoko train now. Share sports science and your mama crown whatever. Oh my God, sports science. Is a bono. Your money is a your nyoma de calculate. Nyoma de calculate. Best nation players you ya coach data ni film. E wu mirika obi atu on the field. Any say player dey bia week when on Monday oba na ni mirika no wosoro pa. E drop ba. Enti coach kwa betimi a wo say key player we no. E say no man day off. Enya say abo na wakọ bo no Sunday no kura no. Oba emre.
Good.
Sa nyoma we nyina e discard.
Mate.
Enti we ti 10 over yen komo na etiawa. Ade na efe na awuhu no. Esika yen kofo bi brenya. E na omde abehye kunum na ofom de ye.
Home
na ba. Woso de kakra na yese be nyabotre. Nyabotre. Se yese Eric Tinkler be gili nya na of Americans asem no de. But it was too call for patience.
Okay.
Safi kwanya super signing. Anko to Tobex players krana. You should understand because of Uto players. Now at the same time, all sign investment no enye better. Into supporters ni nyabotre na omunya gidi otim.
Good. Mame enko Captain Akomia Sechiho na Bisafa Chairman Solomon Fusu alkopie mo UK no. Eno de fagus na memfa kosiedu die no so ntoase ema omo. Na we no Chairman Solo UK 1 week and was spend ho. Te bra okuduru na omo welcome no. Eno so eba sisi na akosiedu ene bebia ni Gold Stars. ɛsɛ ɔmo my ready opponent bia obehia no at this stage no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔbɔ na league no nyɛma ɛkɔ nkan
sɛ dia fix ani tie bia no say eden expect training in the second round it will fit for purpose when you say me go away too na me three it box sustain second round no say over 6 points obi the 3 points at 81 if you can stay home and chapter on that now only na be at far it no I don't think there's any big blow. Then you play each other earlier the better. The last yeah, come to Moko Africa bar, no Brazil relegation. You come be second. Media man they say any no. You bet shy with no.
Good. Ma ya dikan aye week 1 to week 10. Ya yeni nyina we no. Aye newly promoted side no de e na nwumre me ye kakra bi dia ma wo. Na DBB the first 5 fixtures. The first game one Kotoko and a bebo. We pa DBB Air to us or blast or week 2 no more. Week 3 DBB United boy Young Apostles. Now week 4 FC Ashanti Gold any DBB abo. Now week 5 DBB Ako Mediama inti DBB Air Kotoko Swedro or blast Young Apostles Ashanti Gold and Mediama. The first 5 games Young Paul City ni week 1 or 3 one Ashanti Gold 04 etimi abo we pa week 2 Positive air quarter kwa one mediama na air kobo week 3 the tennis Positive better fie ni bekum Chelsea abo week 4 go stars kwatra fie one Positive abo na week 5 one bechem enso abo inti Positive Ashanti Gold mediama Chelsea Go Stars and bechem the first 5 games na mediama wono memfa Ashanti Gold de no ntwato na momra week 1 for Asante Gold 04 on a Positive and a ebo Positive na bobo home that game no week 2 I Gold any vision and a ebo week 3 Asante Gold betua Basake Holy Stars week 4 betra fie on a DBB and a bebo na week 5 on a Lions and so etumi akobo ewo pandu na why dey na mu omre okay nti Asante Gold so edie eno maso kradu akasa nensem ewo hanom women's AFCON yes you ram na ya adwuma kakra wo ho Vincent Atenga contract ne de ewu anesa wonti no sisi dem se kwan ya beda ne ho anesa Zach yanya ne kakra na me ne akomia nwi
very interesting onim se Tino sisi ade team bia almost start infrastructure no anase a stage where na omo focus omo attention on infrastructure no I say what say sometimes it affect results didn't na affect results sikano to do na no is now going into what infrastructure so teams now do a stage where they now go into infrastructure no see ento players bakum you be you can't spend much on players because unyen skedi ade infrastructure you have to understand say baby a team they do no any what they are doing no say oya supporter obon say na kotokonyanto player obon say mediama obon say diana na sikano okofa no yemfa na editor player editor so aya de kodache ti so say okofa sikano wan na akoto player wakofa sikano wan editor infrastructure nti say do sa stage we are e was say otiase why you are not seeing Kotoko in the transfer market bia we akofa we omuntimi spending more at the same time say me top player na me sa so e
AJ
yes it's a normal of such teams na most of them call to into sa e ni nyina you understand for example you Barcelona you know when omo Spotify company you ka omo fa so ada fi players to wan dey dia omo nyai we saw Real Madrid na time no AC you know they are not buying big anymore because Satam na enyes kadi acquire infrastructure. We saw Arsene and Arsene Wenger at Arsenal. Eti team be do sa stage now, it's difficult to combine the two, spending huge on player and spending huge on infrastructure. Nti yentiase say whilst you want to see improvement at Adokoda Acheno, you should know say Canada do na Honebeko. And make sure say one of the steps that Kotoko take it to become once again join the elite on the African terrain, no, and then they say they will make their training ground a very attractive place. Elite clubs in Africa say Rutino or more one thing in common, and then they say their training ground a very very good place and very attractive. And it's good say now yatiase say CCRD we are going to yatiase omudisike kwa ku infrastructure improve Adokodachi so or improve ye fair the image of Kotoko there ekosuru pa every coach every foreigner ayanti kromazina okay and I am no Kotoko funya every South Africa okay yes omutimi no mko Adokodachi je we bu so omutimi no mko no omutimi am for man kwa Adokodachi because no honye fe the place wasn't attractive, wasn't good for it to be sold to the what outsiders. And then I said, "I'm calling them and chen. No muye no muye. Almost as a koi." But at say, project in the pitches and everything, environment afa. Ebe awawa arameboa. Se udu obi ko ho na akwache nze me fie ni ha na ye me training ground. Animal training place. It's good, sir. Now all this thing is going on at Adokodachi, but maybe a hear me, and I did hear me. They say, "Yem pesa ochirebi," because we are going to support her. What idea? Upe ese ube so uno we need genius.
Ebini we mo.
It is we no. Se resource no eba.
Presim
No offer.
Ehwehwe mu na ye for any way so
Yes. Omuntimi sa place
o combine me no ayedin.
Yes, that transfer na opese omokoya omuntimi nkoye. Yanka no kore nkyere omo se sa transfer na
ombe kakra bi afra but enye se de bi a wholesale ayi de open no.
Dabi. Saka sie na omo spend de bi omo nya sa de no because sika dodo na no
ebe wura we.
Eso mo do ko this project. Anya we nko a the pitch, the environment, and all those places ni no. Eso mo ye ni nyina na ho ye fe. Eti say ye we a you don't expect them to go out and be buying big name players and aside ni nyina so mo fam Kotoko. Continue. And they say ye mo omotiase. Se ne be ya o chele bi no. Ye nkotiti na ye Debbie they cannot be active in the transfer market. But they are not currently doing anything. Omunye infrastructure biya. Ediana at this stage are not doing infrastructure.
To no water.
Or auditor.
Has so senya ban no bet me ato because on infrastructure.
Yes. But where there?
Oh dear.
Who disca AMB? Until no spending on other things. Because what kind of player top board in pa afi okromasi. Until all combine the two no. Ebe there be difficulty here.
But I say extra a lot. Akomia. Good.
So me say na obi buza about house of folk. There's not a lot happening there, but then over omo place in a group e will probably my and omo your medicals.
Good.
Hopefully by this weekend almost special coach in be arrival. So the assistant coach Ipa and Sule no.
Boniface
Ipa only Sule take you through sa program omo here. So almost expected say by Monday the preseason ankasa no started.
Fitiasie.
Monday the house folk there no.
Fantastic.
They are still waiting for the coach say by this weekend.
Obabedu.
Chinanko kan question that no.
But even before so we do know. Players na ba omo ya medicals.
Ama medicals.
To be a nene chade ometimi nkosi kwasi ada kra de no ma wie medicals no na mande
I stand coaches need take them through that.
Good.
Now me cancer meeting na a course no. Over a very important, very key. You who say be a check. The reason why in the Kotoko has to focus, so man taking charge of rightful position of Ghana football man. Ghana football will continue now struggles. Of us here. So you coach here, the chairman almost say how to build a strong ties and a strong brand to save Ghana football. How to bring a strong ties and a strong brand.
Okay, sent to Michelle why or me.
The benefit meeting I'm going
I can't person also say how
to build a strong ties and a strong brand to save Ghana football.
Hey, money bread. Wow.
Of our Barcelona and Ramadan Domon Kakro. But when it comes to issues,
yes.
Any deal they meet, they discuss. At a point in time, the president, secure loan, it's not the Barcelona. Because just to keep Barcelona, I'm going to move to the Bayer or move with my Acoso. Recently, Ghana for anybody be a house for we are going to go on to teams. Almost teams as a take charge. But over no matter what they do, no Kotoko has Abraham Bono. These teams cannot get there. So there's a need, there's something for Asia not strategizing. Because of these people about the teams, a lot of things they do to favor their teams. Even players going from national teams. Over the reason why Kotoko has, and that's what you can see and say, when a player go national team, they are toughened. What I say? Because a team will be a person who if you go through that teams now, you are tough into when you are promoted to a national team. As you team is sad now. That is why this meeting is important. House of folk will have their problem. Kotoko will have their problem. But to save Ghana football, to make sure say they come back to where they belong. The two of them must meet and strategize. No more for some beba. So why is a Kotoko ye so no? House of folk started here Saturday in about of that's how it is. So that's how you be. I think it's a beginning of good things to come. So if such meetings not to us, in a very near future, both of these two teams will take their rightful positions and Kotoko House of folk. The moment they are top, they are coming back to all self. Over it affects Ghana football. What I say? Why is that? Teams are conquer for very women's car. Kotoko has. I didn't say that's your.
I feel sad on there. They do Kotoko games at 50 series.
They will continue to
take
money to other clubs. No money on pay, but they must take their rightful position.
Okay.
Decisions about FA. These two teams must see to it say FA regard you. Because the Ghana see a compare sponsorship for crowd their bar. Kotoko has here. And I can say no be IP. And for that thing, and no manager just meeting. So whoever proposed that meeting in Barcelona, of a tons of continue, no continue below that bond. No.
But that's a coming